Chapter 22, Video Power Up. This chapter is all about sharing lean in a way that's fun and catches everyone's attention. Companies everywhere have started using lean because it's easy and exciting, like a game where you try to improve things little by little. But to make lean really take off, we need to find creative ways to share our wins and ideas so everyone can join in. At FastCap, we do some key things every day to keep lean strong. We clean and organize, find small improvements, have a morning meeting, and make before and after videos. I've traveled to many countries, meeting people who have added lean to their daily routine. It's amazing. Sometimes they make awesome videos, but not everyone gets to see them. What a bummer. Videos are a great way to share cool ideas and keep everyone inspired. Join the fun and get awesome improvement videos on my 2SL WhatsApp group. Ask a grown-up to help you send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll add you to the group. Here's the number, +1 36094134748. Let's learn and grow together. With lean videos, everyone can see how small changes can make a big difference. The one thing. Are you sharing your lean wins? Lean gets even better when we share our cool ideas and improvements with others. Showing off the little changes we make can inspire everyone around us to try lean too. Win with lean. Make a quick video or tell a friend about something you improved today. Sharing your lean wins makes it more fun for everyone. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 22, we learned that lean becomes powerful when we share it with others. Showing our small improvements helps others get excited about lean too. Sharing your lean ideas spreads inspiration and makes the journey more fun for everyone. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Chapter 19 taught us to cut out the extra steps. Chapter 20 taught us to help others get better. Chapter 21 showed us that lean is simple and fun. Chapter 22 encourages us to share what you learned. Now let's go to Chapter 23.